Hello everyone, I'm Akshuf Kamanjalani and today I'm going to present you the capstone project of the AI Agent Intensive course. First of all, I am the lead developer of this project. Today I want you to present the Enterprise GPT OS. It's an autonomous executive operating system where specialized AI leaders collaborate like a real bedroom or to turn complex business questions into strategic decisions in minutes, but not in weeks. So basically, the problem we are trying to solve is the modern enterprises making high-stake decisions with a broken process. Like data is fragmented across the finance sheets, market reports, OPS dashboards, and team notes. Each decision requires multiple departments, CEO, CFO, risk strategy, operations, aligning manually. Meetings are slow, repetitive, and often based on whoever speaks loudest. Traditional AI chatbots give generic answers, not multi-perspective executive reasoning. Why this is matters because when the leadership asks should we enter in the UA with $12 million investment and many more questions, so the solution came up was the Enterprise GPT OS. It's created a virtual executive team of AI agents that understand the business questions, intent, region, investment targets, and build a decision plan using the tools of financial calculator, market data, memory, knowledge search. It runs multiple debates on the CEO's executive like CEO, CFO, market intelligence, risk strategy, and much more. It evaluates risk, produce final recommendation, decision and action items, store outcomes in memory for decisions, for future decisions. This is not a chatbot, this is a decision operating system. So let's get a tour of our application. First of all, this is the landing page. It create impact on the users, like what it shows: the 3D premium visual identity, clear value proposition, and fast CTA to launch platforms, signals like multi-agent intelligence, forecasting, bedroom experience, and much more things. Okay, so the main page of our application was this: executive command center. Basically, what it shows: the top KPIs and the health metric, current recommendation from the AI layer, risk posture and trend indicators, a snapshot of organization wide status, users value, executive get a 10-second plus check before diving into deep project or any research. Okay, so the next screen was our AI boardroom. In this place, strategic decisions are actually made. What it does: user submits business question like we should enter the market. It enters the AI agent. Look, they all are talking to each other, and the final recommendation which came up was like research on the should be this CEO on expansion to the UI, 12 billion investment aligned with the diversification strategy. Then it takes the decision by itself and tell you that what outcome will it will get. So that's the main question of main page of our application. Then we came up to on the agent society. What it shows: AI agent roster and roles, responsibilities, like it shows the roles. He is the CEO, this agent CEO, this agent is CFO, this agent is co, and it's all are in 3D virtual. Then we came up to supply chain. In supply chain, it shows the 3D world map, route network and regional views, supplier logistic related risk insight, user value, leadership can analyze strategic decision with real world operations. Like it shows the connection all around the globe. Look like this. It tells the active routes like New York to London, Tokyo, Singapore, supplier network, where is the most globally. There is Global Logistic Corps in Asia, Tech Components Limited, and the investor factors, like it generate the graphs for standard graphs for the easy understanding, and it tells the disruption alert like High Pacific Materials Company supply disruption 72 hours delay. Then we move up on the strategic lab. In strategic lab, it tells it analyzes ROI versus risk trade-off, exploration, alternative strategy outcomes, user value, faster strategic expectations without full manual access. It's UI all AI. Look, in the market strategy, it tells the ROI, market impact, prediction revenue, a new product launch. It does this. Okay, so the digital twin of the company. This is the second most important page. The purpose of this is simulation layer of the enterprise. It shows the current company state, representation, parameter driven simulations, project outcomes on growth, risk and operation. User value move from the static reports to dynamic simulation based planning. It tells the adjustment parameter what we need to do, like I have simulate outcomes. It tells that the marketing budget will 10+%, revenue impact 3.5%, ROI estimated, engineering, how much staff we have, risk assignment, risk alignment, and that's all. In the knowledge center, it's in the knowledge center, the purpose of the knowledge center was the enterprise memory plus retrieval intelligence. This basically do the search, means it basically do the rag. If we import any PDF, it tells about the annual report, UA market analysis, and generate standard things, and tells about the PDFs about the annual report and everything. In the analytics, it shows the yearly analytics, like revenue forecast in October, in November. We have this upper value, upper and the value, lower we have low. It also tells the lower. In demand forecast, it tells about the demand. In key metrics, it tells the key comparison. And the security center is also tells about the security of the company. Basically, it's a project for the business enterprises which can do their all work with the AI. Thank you so much.